How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, bringing you guys another update on Cardano, daily analysis updates as always. Let's take a look at, what's happening with ADA and of course what we could be expecting as we are, going further into the week. Obviously, again, today is a long weekend here in North America, but again, the market is looking amazing right now, as you can see across the board. Cardano price once again up about 4.7%, quite impressive. The broader market once again is up. Cardano's priced right now 73.3 cents. It's creeping back up to, where it was just a few days back. Also up 4.4% in Bitcoin compared to valuation approaching $27 billion and the 24-hour trading volume sitting at 2.1 billion. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance index here, shall we? So if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, you can see for yourself it is plummeting, guys. It is continuing to go down, and what's quite interesting here is we're back at the levels where we were just before we did see that retracement within the crypto market. The dominance is back at those key levels, which is very impressive. Bitcoin, on the other hand, let me show you guys Bitcoin on the hourly perspective so you guys can get a little bit of a better understanding as to what's really happening with Bitcoin. It's ranging below 116, so several retests just at the 116 mark, but continuing to pull down. You can see for yourself, so pretty much having a hard time breaking out of the 116,000 mark, because of course that is a level to be watching out for. A huge chunk of liquidation will happen once the price crosses 116, and as of now we haven't really budged. But what has been something we want to be paying attention to is the dominance continuing to fall. That is the main catalyst behind altcoins feeling a lot of love. You could see across the board once again, 2 consecutive days. Obviously yesterday was when Donald Trump made that statement, and today once again a lot of green across the crypto markets. So anyone that was picking up that retracement, remember there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The ones that were being greedy while there was so much fear across the board have done quite well for themselves. But let's take a look at what's happening with ADA. But again, we're above our confirmation zone, so I'm obviously keeping that in mind. But again, that does not mean there's no chance for us to retest some of these low ends, especially the 23.6. Again, that's something I still have in my mind. I wouldn't be surprised if that does end up happening. But again, if we're able to get back above 122, I think it's all behind us at that point. But take a look at ADA here. So, as far as the price of Cardano is concerned, you can see for yourself. Again, we're going to take a look at the price of Cardano on an hourly perspective. It's looking amazing right now. We were able to reclaim back up to, 73.5 cents. We're pretty much still at 73 cents right now. So, again, consecutive green days, so 2 days in a row. But again, if you had just even bought at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, the price is up about 6.6%. But again, goes back to what I've been saying. We want to be targeting the resistance at the 75.8 cents, and with the way things are looking, it looks like the price of Cardano will break to this range very, very fast. We're not far off of that. You can see for yourself that itself is only a move of about 4%. So again, could still end up happening in the next few hours if dominance continues to fall and Bitcoin pushes out of the 116. I think we could be above that range, and then that takes us closer and closer to where we were just a few days back. Getting back up to this key range is going to be very surprising to a lot of people. Some of the projects have already been able to get back up to levels they were prior to this major pullback, and I think ADA is up next. Very impressive with the way things are looking. Continuous reminder, anyone that got in around 56 cents is up right now 30% on ADA in just a short span of time. That was a great opportunity right in front of people that wanted to dollar cost average, and I'm sure your portfolio says so as well if you're looking at your portfolio right now. So again, right now the major target for myself for ADA remains to be around the 76 cents mark. Breaking above here takes us back up to where we were just a few days back. So very nice setup here. I think things are about to heat up. Let me know in the comments what you guys personally think. Follow me on X if you have not done so already. Link in the description box below, and we'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.